Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. My dear brothers and sisters, I am going inside the fair of tree fair in Collectorate Field in Lalmonirhat city. Many trees in this field, and many students come here for buy some trees. Many trees and many students. We know tree is a best friend of us. Tree gives us oxygen. We love tree.